Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we discuss everything related to academic writing. In today's video, we will be discussing how to write chapter 4 of your thesis. This is an important chapter as it is where you present your findings, analyze your data, and draw conclusions from your research. So, let's get started. Step 1. Introduction. The introduction to chapter 4 should be a brief overview of what the reader can expect in this chapter. It should include a summary of the research questions and hypotheses, the methodology used to collect data, and a brief description of the data analysis techniques used. Step 2. Presenting your findings. This section should provide a clear and concise presentation of your findings. You can use tables, charts, graphs, or any other visual aids to help convey your results. Make sure that your findings are presented in a logical order and are easy to understand. It is also important to include any limitations of your study and suggestions for future research. Step 3. Analysis. After presenting your findings, you need to analyze the data to draw meaningful conclusions. This section should provide an in-depth analysis of your findings and how they relate to your research questions and hypotheses. Make sure that you support your analysis with evidence from your data. Step 4. Discussion. The discussion section should tie together your findings and analysis and provide a clear answer to your research questions. It should also include any implications of your research and how it can contribute to your field. Make sure that your discussion is well supported by evidence from your research. Step 5. Conclusion. The conclusion to chapter 4 should summarize your findings and analysis and highlight the key takeaways from your research. Make sure that your conclusion is clear and concise and ties back to your research questions and hypotheses. Step 6. Editing and revisions. After completing chapter 4, it is important to edit and revise your work. Make sure that your writing is clear, concise, and free of errors. Ask a colleague or your supervisor to review your work and provide feedback. That's it for today's video on how to write chapter 4 of your thesis. Remember to take your time and ensure that your writing is clear, concise, and well supported by evidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more academic writing tips and advice.